Morning. This is the moment that I've been waiting for a few weeks, is for these downpipes to come off of back order. So finally got a set in, and let's take a look at what they are. Alright, first thing to notice is somewhat like the drive shaft, the box is going to be fairly plain. Again, marks and whatnot for alpha or anything like that's not what's important, it's the actual part itself. One of the things to notate is that it does say Auto Moto Sports Inc. That's your indication that it's the real deal, coming from AMS. Opening these things up, as you can tell, I went ahead and opened up the box. Kind of hard to do a video and hold with one hand and check it out with the other. But anyway, we got inside, it's packed very well. We got this kit, we got gaskets, we got the AMS stickers, we got nuts, bolts, everything needed to do an install. And those are some pretty hefty gaskets. Let's take a look at that real quick. Open this up. Sorry for the shaking. So let's take a look at this gasket here. This is that's pretty beefy. That's a few millimeters thick. It's not a crush gasket, but that's pretty nice. So let's take a look at the goods here. Bread and butter. Pop this open, and here we go. We got some downpipes. These are the AMS lower downpipes, of course. So we got a nice bracket. There's our little alpha. Actually, we see the logo there, and that is in the metal itself. That's pretty cool. That is that's actually pretty cool, guys. And then we got where our sensor goes in, nice and welded. Nice little welds around here, and I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You know, we're looking at just exhaust flow here. Sorry for the sirens in the background. We got a highway that usually there's some accidents. Let's measure this real quick, and let's see. We got a 3-inch diameter as advertised. So this thing is it's pretty nice. Simple construction, but you know what? They advertise no check engine light, no tune required, even though anybody who does this stuff knows to realize the full potential, you do need to look at getting a tune. That's it, guys. Pretty straightforward and simple, and these things look pretty nice. Have a good one.